moving forward as we talk about this practice, let's say you have, you did this, you did a good job, but you got really close to that time frame right there. What you want to do is you want to try to do this. Try to even cut this time down a little bit. I was watching some of you guys. Some of y'all were even done with it in 35 and 40 seconds. Okay, you can get through that. You can get enough information that you felt confident that you had the enough. Okay, y'all hear me on that concept? The same thing's true with reading. When we're doing the reading and it's nonfiction, you just need to know enough of what's going on in that paragraph so you can then answer the questions. All right, so let's talk a little more specifically about science practice. I did this yesterday and it got cut off, so we're going to do it again and maybe try to do a little bit better. And we'll get this posted for everybody. Again, that was the hypothesis portion. Let's look at other portions and how we would attack a practice for that. Again, 7 minutes per portion. Okay, I want to start with 1:30 for gathering information. Okay, if I got this graph, this pie graph right here, I want to get the information I can from these in 1:30 on my first practice. What does that leave? That leaves 5:30 left for questions. Some of the questions are going to be easy. Okay, when you look at the first science portion on the test that you have, the very first questions are really, really easy one. Okay, it talks about when something died compared to me. You look at one of those graphs, boom, there it is. Okay, so again, that's buying back or borrowing time from other questions. Okay, I can yield it to something else. But 5:30 is going to be left over for the questions and the answers. Now, when you practice it, you've got to have that stopwatch there. God bless you. You've got to have that timer there. Now, if you go a little bit over, make note of that. Push yourself a little bit more. Practice again. And what we want to focus on in the next 3 weeks is to be able to get, we did one today. Let's get 3 more on the practice. Why 3 more on the practice? All right, on the science. Here's why. Reading, we can just get by with 3 because we're used to reading. We're not all used to reading charts. Okay, an additional practice or 2 on the charts will help, especially with the timing. Okay? All right, go ahead and stop that.